Testing good. Testing good. Checking the stream. Let's see. I don't know if I'm live yet. We'll find out. This might be a very ghetto stream today. Oh! I think I'm live? I'm live yet. Okay, we are indeed live. Let me just test to see if the audio is coming through. Oh! I think I'm live? Damn, my voice is quiet. Okay. We can fix that. Well, for anyone who's tuning in, it's just me today, so it might be quite chill. And all we're going to be doing is doing some Photoshop work. The stuff that we started last time, actually. So as you can see, some of my projects are on the are on there. I'm going to be working on the top left one, trying to make it look like bone marrow. So that should be kind of cool. I don't know why the video is not working yet. Bear with me, we're going to have to test that. I'm going to turn my volume up as well. Alright, so theoretically, you should be able to see. Let's actually do this. Come on now. Let's try something. Just trying to display what I see. That didn't work. Okay, let's try something else. Okay. No one can see what's going on, but trust me, behind the scenes, I'm trying to make it so you can see what I'm seeing. I had it working yesterday, but apparently today is a different day, and therefore it does not want to work. Nope, it's not doing it. Well, shit. Let's try this. So, theoretically that should... Oh, come on now. Well, for anyone who's watching, I hope you're enjoying the chill music, because I know I am. But apparently, it might be too much to ask for you to see what I'm working on. Well, shit. Well, Since when could it not... Do I have to make a new scene? Let's try this. New scene. Source. Window capture. Discord. Why would that not work? I don't understand. I've been live for 5 minutes, and I don't understand. This was working yesterday. Oh snap. I don't understand why it would just be blank. That's a real shame. Okay, so I got this up here. See, even I can't describe anything because you can't see literally anything. Man, that's a real bummer. I'm still trying. Oh, do I have company? Hello? Hello, hello? Greetings? Can you hear me? Currently, I can't hear you, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I hear something. You're very quiet, though. Oh! Okay, I figured something out. Oh my goodness. Right. Can you hear me okay? I can't hear you yet. I'm gonna try and turn you up on the, Oh no, you left. Oh! No! Right, we got this. Source. Window capture. Add new source. Ha ha ha! Okay, we did it. We have visual. Roger, Roger, we have visual.
I thought you guys said you were going to be starting in like a half an hour.
Oh no! Oh no! Don't do this to me. I thought. Well, where are you? Where are you based? What time is it for you?
5:30 here, but based off of what I looked up for the time conversion, it should have been a half an hour from now.
Well, shit. Well, here it's it's 10:43. So I don't know. Maybe it's GMT plus, I don't know, plus whatever. I don't know what daylight savings time's doing right now.
Yeah, there. 22:30 GMT is, yeah, right there. GMT 10:30 is 6:30 for me.
Weird. Well, I know it's definitely 10:43 from 43 now, so I don't know what that would be. And trust me, I'm in England. I don't know.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
I'm a bit late because that misunderstanding, but I'm here now.
I swear something's going on with the time zones. They're not what they're cracked up to be at the moment. So the first like 8 minutes of the stream is me figuring out, even though I got it working last night, me figuring out like how to get the video working. Because holy shit, apparently that's not easy. But it's working now. So profit.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So if you have things you want to show off to the world today, you can. Otherwise, I'm just gonna mess around in Photoshop.
Nope, just came to watch the stream. I don't have anything to share. I'm not a game dev.
Oh, okay.
I mean, joined you guys hoping that maybe I could get some game dev experience helping one of you guys out.
Ah, were you? Hang on, let me see. Were you What's your skill set? What's your stuff that you do?
Oh, I'm a software engineer. I have about 2 to 3 years of experience under my belt.
Nice.
When it comes to as a full stack engineer, coding, full stack coder. But when it comes to game design in specific, I don't have any experience. So.
Oh yeah, I like the design more than the coding. I hate coding with a passion. But
I love coding. Yeah, I can't draw to save my life, and I have zero drive to even try. So I ended up deciding if I'm going to go into game design, I have to be a coder.
Oh, see, it was kind of the other way around for me, because I'm like, I love drawing, I love game design, simple as. Love my games design.
Yeah, that was what I was told actually by the man. Names are terrible for me. Cooper.
Oh yeah.
He told me that. And but then I asked, hey, you want me to help you out with that? And you said you were too busy with your family, so
oh,
that was true.
Was that when I was in Canada? It might have been.
That was about 2 weeks ago, one week
not too
ago.
long ago. Yeah.
Yeah, it was at least 2 weeks ago. I was sick last week.
Oh yeah. I don't know what I need to do. I suppose for because I'm leaving most of the coding side to Cooper, but you're more than welcome to jump in on stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have any tasks, I can send me the code base, and I'd be happy to see what I can do.
Ooh. Let me see.
No promises.
I wish Cooper was here. How could I get you on things? Okay, bear with me. Are you in the game dev channels?
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh, of course you are. I recognize your name. I wonder how I would do it. It would basically be... I'll tell you what. I wonder if... Have you got on the Myro before?
The what?
The Myro? Hang on. How would I do that? The Myro is where all the game design stuff is.
Okay.
So I'll get you on that. I know I can get you on that. So I'll do that first. But as for I'd need to get the what's it called? Place where people put code and collaborate on projects. GitHub, there it is.
Yeah.
I need to get that going. Where on earth? Right. Teams. Here. Boom. So
I think there was a repository shared with me recently on GitHub.
Oh yeah.
With by Cooper. Don't see it in my list, but...
Okay, I copy a link and send to you. Boosh. There you go. So that's for the Myra. That's all the planning, visual, and game design types of details and stuff. So,
Oh, I need to sign in for this.
oh yeah, yeah.
Uh, wait, I'll just sign in with my Google email.
Yeah. So there should be a lot of stuff in there for you to sink your teeth into. At the moment, yeah, we're at the stage where it's basically just making levels before we get to release. We've had all the like main code bits done. One bit that I think Cooper's struggling on is the movement of the Elegans boss. But theoretically, it should be quite simple. Because all it is like, you know, in like Galaga, how they have these big snake bosses that you know, one point moves to another place and the whole body just follows, like Snake basically.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what that boss is gonna do. But you need to build him some stuff for like not crossing its own body, so it doesn't like try and make sharp turns, you know, to reduce its like.
Is it really going to be that long? From what I looked up, it seemed to be a bit of a chunky boy.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. On the Myro, see, there's a video I posted last stream where I think the white blood cell, like in real life, the white blood cell is probably like 100th of the length or something. Or actually no, maybe a 50th of the length. So I'm thinking this thing would probably be like at least like 20 times as big as the player. And
Gotcha.
yeah, so it's gonna be a case of like you can damage it by contacting it. So on the Myro, that is, let me see. I wonder if I should show the Myro on stream or if that's proprietary. I probably shouldn't. But but yeah, it's 60 by 8. If I put that into perspective, the main player is 3 by 3. Does that make sense?
Oh, I'm sorry, I was getting into the Myro. Let's say again.
Yeah. So if you're on it, over here's my cursor. You see that? Where you just were?
No.
Where am I? Oh, you're all the way over here. Follow me. Do you see my cursor yet?
I see you.
Yeah, yeah. This way, this way.
I was looking at the stream.
Oh, okay. So, over here is where all the enemies and stuff are. The Elegance boss is right here. So see, that's 60 by 8. Player up here, wherever he is. Player 3 by 3. But it gets a bit bigger. But yeah. Anyway, I don't think I can show this. I would like to show it. Maybe I can? That seems complicated though. I'm just gonna do my Photoshop work. And leave you to look at that for a bit. So yeah, we're quite new to the streaming and shit, as you can tell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But we do what we can. So yeah, that's all of the bosses and enemies in that are basically from the first chapter of gameplay. Which I guess would be the full release of the game. And then the plan is, like, after that, we have, like, other releases of, like, infections in other areas and stuff. Like, you might not come across the Gingivalis enemy until we go into the mouth, which I think should be the next level. Where on earth? This isn't working like it used to. What's going on now? Hang about. Oh, I know why. It's because I'm silly. Right, here we go. Aha! Right. So I'm trying to make the holes bigger of this thing so it's more like bone marrow. So we originally did this for like a games jam. Do you remember what's the guy? Pirate Development? Do you know that guy?
No.
Shoot. He I think he had some like controversy recently. I don't know anything about it though.
Oh, that guy. Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what that controversy is about?
Yeah, I that screwed a bunch of people over in WoW.
Oh. So is that what the game jams were for? To steal the shit?
That's what they were for? Just to take his crap?
I don't know. Is that what the controversy was?
No, I thought the controversy was because that he, well, originally screwed a bunch of people over in WoW, and then he never really recovered from that.
In WoW?
Yeah, he was in a part of a raid, and he butchered it really badly and pissed a lot of people off.
Oh!
And then from there, he ended up with a massive ego, and that ego completely undermined him every step of the way.
Oh, right.
Eventually, he ended up proclaiming that there's no point in joining in on some a video game thing to save dead video games, and then because he made the advocacy against it, everyone then learned about it and everyone supported it. So that made him even more infamous because he ended up supporting something stupid, and then his stupidity got the good thing successful.
Okay.
So that's pretty much everything I know about the controversy around him.
It's quite funny. Oh man. He couldn't have just been a normal dude.
No.
What?
Did you
always...
the animation from those people who make weird animations about things.
Right. Oh.
They did one of software. What's it called? Meat Canyon, I think?
Oh, that name's familiar, and I don't remember why.
Yeah, Meat Canyon. This streamer's never wrong. You might want to give that a watch. Probably not on stream because it's kind of gross, but you want to. It's definitely an amusing insight on the way the man thinks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because that's how our game started, was one of his game jams. But we overshot the schedule. So we were just like, fuck it, we'll just continue. Because I came up, the original premise came from Toucan, and then I did all the game design stuff for it, and then I was all like, this should be easy, not knowing necessarily enough about coding that it was actually pretty difficult. But because the only coding I'd done before that was like in my master's, and that was like an augmented reality thing that was totally different to this. So yeah, apparently I was reinventing the wheel. But now that we're at this stage, I'm pretty happy with how it's going, so.
Yeah, the when it comes to game design. Generally, the closest thing I have to experience on that is, do you remember like the early 2000s games that released with editors built in?
Yeah.
Yeah, from when I was a child, those were my play boxes.
Yeah.
Instead of playing with the mountain of toys that my parents got me, I instead would go onto my computer and play in this endless toy box that was the editor of StarCraft and Warcraft.
Yeah. Worms Armageddon had some good stuff. Team 17.
Yeah, I know. Warcraft. Say again.
Team 17, they were good. But no, yeah, you had.
Uh,
That's where Dota came from, wasn't it? Was that Warcraft?
Yeah, it was Warcraft 3.
Yeah. Yeah, there was StarCraft had some good stuff.
Yep, when I was a little kid, that one and the Diablo 2 editor were what I kind of fiddled with as a kid, and not really understand what was going on. So I just used them as literal play boxes. And then when I became a teenager, Warcraft 3 was where I actually tried to do things. And given what I had created ultimately was still rather childish, but I was proud of it in my own way. In fact, I think I still have the what I created as a teenager on my computer somewhere.
Oh, cool. You gotta show that if we, Oh, wow. I'm just realizing the stream. Oh, that's wild. It's going, right to my, like, to my menus. That's interesting. Let's see if we can change this.
He zoomed in quite a bit, though.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of colors to go for here. Let's see. Maroon?
Well, here, I'll look it up. Let's see. Bone mineral color. It seems they come in two different colors. They come in either red or
Red or?
yellow.
Okay. I think I want to go for yellow. But it doesn't really want to be.
Red bone marrow is responsible for producing blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Yellow bone marrow primarily consists of fat cells. It serves as a fat storage area. It can convert back to red marrow if the body requires more blood cell production.
Ah. So, I guess it's okay for the bone marrow outside of where the cell appears to be the white kind.
Yep.
Although I don't understand why it wants to be magenta. Oh, that's kind of a nice color. Let's try this. Oh, fuck. Nope. Nope, we gotta go back. We gotta go back. Alright. Let's do this.
Zoomed in a bit.
Oh, did it? It's gone into the menus again. Alright, let's try something else. Much too red. See, why? I guess it's because it was originally red. It doesn't have as much yellow to pull on. Right, cancel that. Let's try this way. Use up the yellow. Ugh. How yellow is it? When you say yellow.
That was just the words. Here, I'll look up a picture.
Oh, okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Ooh, that's kind of nice.
It kind of looks like a sickly yellow, kind of like butter.
Oh. Right.
Sort of like what you'd imagine, what you see in cartoons for when they pump a stomach, the lard that's produced.
Okay. So kind of like, let's see here. I kind of like the granular pixels. Oh gosh. Okay, we might have a winner. So plus 20 green, blue 20, right? 52, 50 green.
Yeah, that looks pretty close. It's a little bit on the green side, I'd say, but outside of that, yeah, that's closer to it.
Oh, you want it less green than this?
Yeah, slightly less green, I think that's it.
Okay. Ooh. Actually, ooh! Look at that.
Yeah, that looks just like it.
Pretty nifty. I just hope it's not too granular here. Alright, so...
And considering you're on the microscopic level, the intermixing of red and yellow is very realistic.
Oh. Well, it's gonna be in the background, so it's got blur... I think it's got blur effect over it anyway? Or, well, it's got a shader for rippling. So I should probably make it a bit more subtle. If I can. Just so it doesn't look janky when it's...
Can you apply the blur effect now to see the comparison?
Probably? So now I need to push the yellow up a bit from here. Kind of like this? Oh, okay, kind of like that. Thing is, it's quite bright. Let's see. So this is what we kind of end up with. Oh, I could have made it brighter even. So this is what the parallax background will kind of look like.
Hmm. Then yeah, we probably should bring up the yellow a bit more.
Yeah, it's quite... Oh, bloody hell. My stream died. There we go. It needs more brightness, is what it needs.
Yeah.
How to do this? Filter. Brightness. Whoa. Maybe something like that. Knock down transparency a bit. Okay, that might be better. kind of like that. So now I'm gonna work on the rear layer. Filter. Let's see. So this one should be yellow as well, right? So this would be like the structural bits within bone. So let's see. I'll need this.
Oh, you mean that? Yeah, I see that. But at least it's what are the color though?
Yeah.
That's just. Yeah, that seems to be entirely red bone marrow.
Oh, really?
So it's. Yeah, they're not showing any of that as yellow, at least in this picture. Maybe there's another one. Find.
So that's
There
all,
we
like,
go.
That's
That
all.
one looks more like. Let's
Go on.
see.
Go on, say again.
At.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. So that is... Huh. Interesting. I wonder if I can get it to that. I don't know. Let's see. It's got to be darker than the previous layer, but...
Hey, here's the clear, probably a more clear one that I was looking at before, but this one doesn't have the yellow upper part.
Oh. Oh,
You see what I meant with a sickly, right?
Oh, so I was kind of close. Nice. Right, let's do this then. Oops. Let's go back to normal. So from here, it should be easier. Maybe we just add a little more contrast. Yeah, I do hope that when we eventually get all of this out, it would be awesome to do this full time so I could learn how to do more things. My job right now is not so much fun.
Yep.
What about you?
Yeah, if I can get a job in gaming, I'd quit every job I currently have and focus entirely on that.
Yeah, exactly.
But the problem is, try as I might, I've applied to easily 300 to 500 locations and not getting a single yes.
Oh.
Well, I did get one yes, but that was from a place that won't be paying me.
Oh, yeah. You know, for a coding-related job, and then literally a week before the end of his apprenticeship, where he would be certified, they ended the apprenticeship and fired everybody.
Yeah, I didn't face that one, I'm afraid. I went to 2 different places that took me on as an apprentice, and the first one ended up dropping me because when they tried to essentially sell me to other businesses, none of the other businesses would take me.
Oh.
So they decided this wasn't worth the trouble, so you just go on your merry way.
Wow.
And the second place I was, I passed their training. I got sent over to Nationwide, and while I was at Nationwide, they for some reason had me on one of those do nothing jobs.
Right.
For a good while, and I really hated it. I was trying to find a way to do something, and I guess I stepped on some toes by trying to do something, and eventually that got me fired.
Seems to be the way.
And with nationwide, and the people who trained me dropped me as well.
Oh
So
my gosh.
that was the end of my programming career, sadly. So I'm still trying to find my way back in.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, back then they were like, yeah, learn to code, it'll be great. You know.
Thinking back on that every single time frustrates me so much because here I am. I know how to code, and no one will take me.
Yeah. You know, I found because after I did the masters, I was like, this should be great, you know, because having a bachelor's in a field is good, but having a master's is better, you know. But then, when it came to actually getting a job in the market, I couldn't get anything, and I was like, why? I don't know what's going on.
I technically do not have a bachelor's in coding. I just have a bachelor's in general. And I have 2 associates, though, in coding, and that is the equivalent to a bachelor's. So that generally makes up for it. But I do have about 2 to 3 years of experience. That should also make up for it.
See, that's what I didn't have. I didn't have the experience part.
Even with fine. Also, let me remind you, I'm a full stack programmer.
Yeah.
Not just a back end, not front end, not just a database, full stack. And I still can't get a job.
I think it's one of those where it's like the oversaturation just destroyed the market. It's like it's like from The Incredibles. What's Syndrome? When everyone's special, no one is. You know.
Yeah, in this case, when everyone's a programmer, no one is.
Yeah.
As be real proud about my choice of career, eh?
So this, I think, is where we're at. I think this could look pretty good. If I look at the pictures again, I think that looks pretty much like how I want it to. Sweet.
Yep.
So
that's looking pretty good.
I'm gonna start exporting. Oh shit. So I need to remember the top layer is opacity 50, middle layer opacity 90. Okay, 50 and 90. Export. So let's see now. See if I can remember how to get to the 100. So this is going to be PNG. Level. No, parallax front. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh, okay. Parallax front 50. Middle level. Export. Level 1. Parallax mid. 90. Push. Okay. The rear. Export. Level 1. Parallax. Rear. 100. Right, so now the tricky bit, which is going to be trying to get this into... Hang on, the stream's going to have to deal with it. Actually, close, save. Level 1 parallax. Replace, yes, okay. So now I'm going to set up the screen share to do Godot.
Stream ended.
No, it didn't end the whole stream. Oh, no. That's alright. It's just, I'm running a stream within a stream, don't worry. It scared me. Alright, let's see. So now... share screen. Going viral. Wait, not that. Share stream. Oh, I guess it is this. Go to engine. Theoretically, that should work. It's been a long time since I've done any coding with this. Right, so close this. Edit. Oh, damn it.
Stream died again.
Oh, it's my bad. I'll figure it out. Aha! Theoretically, it's time loading. Importing assets. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't look at, pull.
Is the stream supposed to be paused?
I guess. It's loading, but I haven't fetched in a bit. Let's see if there's, I'm gonna have to cancel it again to fetch the current. I don't think this is what we want. Let's close that, and then we'll do the fetch first. Okay, so even though it says stream is ended, it is not. Whilst I get it going, do you have anything you want to check on stream? Because apparently my pull's going to take a while. I may as well screen share the GitHub. There we go. So this right here is what we're waiting for. Yeah, this seems like it might take a while, to be fair.
Maybe all these streams are slowing down your internet.
Maybe. Says 800.
No, that's slow.
Yeah. 800 kilobytes per second, or 900, I guess.
And 110 megabytes per second, I think, is the other one.
Well, that's very slow. Well, maybe we call it with an hour-long stream. At say 1/2 then. If this is gonna take, well, actually no, it's speeding up. We know what the parallax will look like. The only thing I want to do is to show it in action if I can remember how to set it up. Oh, look at that. Go on, my son. Yeah, I don't know. It was strange. Like during Masters, it was 22 commits. Let's do that. Pull. Yeah, because they were all just like, oh, it's great. You know, you do procedural generation. You can name your price, and everybody hires you. I'm like, yeah, sounds great. I want to do procedural
One
generation.
of the, one of the worst things that I come across when I'm applying for jobs is, for some reason, like, um, pretty much 4 in 10 of all the jobs that you come across, for some reason, have the most specific demands in the world. And it's just like, there is no one on earth that it fits these qualifications.
That's why you can name your own price.
Jobs are. I learn learn the name of a new coding language
Oh.
because every time I go through them, somehow there's always a new one. What was it? Like a year ago, or I believe I had gone through. What the hell is Jenkins?
Jenkins? What? I haven't heard of this either.
It requires 5 years in Jenkins. It's
What
like,
the fuck?
well, this is new.
Uh-oh.
Especially amusing to me was when AI was starting to catch the news cycle, and then I was looking around for jobs as I normally do, and one of them was requiring 5 years of AI, and it's like, I don't think AI's been around that long.
Yeah, like how are we gonna do this? That's quite funny. It is weird, like they're just unrealistic, or just, I don't know, they just don't know how stuff works, or
There's 2 things that I've seen for explanations for such things. One of them is called unicorn hunting,
oh yeah,
where they're not actually trying to fill a role. They're trying to essentially see if they can get some sucker, essentially, to try and apply for it. And the other one is ghost jobs,
oh yeah,
where
yeah.
they are not trying to fill a role. They're just trying to tell their employees they're trying to fill a role, and then leave the role empty.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there should be like a law against ghost jobs
agree.
for false advertising, because it's so fucked.
Yeah, there needs to be some kind of rule that if you put up a job thing,
You have to
and
honor
you get a
it,
bunch
type
of
of thing.
replies, and you get a bunch of replies to it, then you need to eventually lock the replies and start looking through the people you have and hire one of them.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh, I ran into an error just then. I've tried repulling. I think we're good. Yeah, it just seems that the job market's like flooded with this kind of thing.
Yeah.
And it's
I don't really know how to get around it. Honestly, I think that once I get my aligners out, I'm just going to reapply to that previous place that trained me and see if they'll just take me back.
just be like, just use your middle name and just be like, yeah, a totally different person.
Well, it's been a year. I think they'll just rehire me at this point.
Oh yeah, they might not have kept the stuff. Oh
Well,
man.
they didn't fire me for like gross incompetence or anything. They just fired me because I was hired for my role to join Nationwide, and since Nationwide dropped me, they dropped me. If I reapply, then they'll just try to find a different place to put me. They already trained me, so if anything, I'd be a lot easier to deal with than most people that sign on.
Yeah. Less training, good for them. You know.
Yeah.
Remind me. Oh, it's been so long. Tutorial level, we've done that. How do I get it to... Do I just do this? Missing dependencies. Am I being silly? How do I load the current screen? I haven't had to do this in a long time.
Well, for VS Code, I believe you would have to go up to like Scene, Project, Debug, Editor, Help.
Oh, it's up here.
One of those sections. Oh, okay.
Is that it? Is that it? That it's up here somewhere?
Yeah, above that. Right there, project button.
Okay. Right, so...
But that was just for VS Code. Now, I don't know about Godot, or Godot, or however you want to call it.
I'm scared to fix dependencies. What dependencies could there be? We've just made the level. Oh, shit. Okay, I spoke too soon. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's all good. Oh, okay. Those are not where they were left. Okay, whatever.
I remember C.S. Cooper in his previous stream moved that there.
Out here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right then.
I don't know why. I remember him doing that.
I think it... we wanted the level to be about yay long.
Yeah, maybe that was him getting ready to expand the level.
So I think I'd be pretty safe to change the parallax as it is, and then if I can remember how to do that, how to do it? Let me edit you. Where would you be? Are you under scenery? No. Layers. Where do I put in picture? Where? I forgot. Oh. Where do I put in? We don't want that. It has been a long time. I wonder if this is like the basic... Hang on a minute. Can I just... Oh. Well, hey. Okay. Progress. Alright. So now... What have we got? Sprite 2D. This is layer... This is a rear layer. So if we change... Let's find that. Open containing folder. Bloody hell. PowerShell? I don't like coding. I don't like it. Where on earth? Just take me to show in file manager. No. Show. Oh, bloody hell. Find this.
Is there a specific file you're looking for?
Oh, I did it. It's okay. I think we're
Okay.
good. If I, should not interfere with anything. And then we'll drag our, new tasty textures in. Bear with me. Boosh. Shit. Copy. Paste. Okay. Theoretically, that should be fine. So now, let's go back. Level 1. Come on, my son. Right, so we're looking at the rear layer, so we want this. Can I just drag it in? Let's find out. I can. Let's make it a big boy. We'll do... Shit, okay. This is gonna be more awkward than I thought. Let's make it 9. Scale 9. Cool. So now... Oh, where's the second one? How do I get to the other leg? Shit. I hope I've not bitten off. Okay, wait. Previous objects. Material, texture. Shit. I've confused myself. Oh wait, no, we got it. We got it. We're good. Okay. Oh, maybe not then. Right. Put this back where it was. Let's change the scale of this. Bloody hell. Scale 18. That's too big. Scale 12. Good. Okay. Now replace this with, let's try 13. Nice. Position 0. Oh, that looks a bit odd. Why is that? Ah, that's why. Ah, no, okay. It's just me being silly. Right. Level 3. Okay, boosh. And let's try scale 14. Beautiful. So now... visibility... transparency would be where... bollocks. Is that why I... Where is transparency? We don't want to do that. Maybe it is easier if I just create a new set of... if I do it on the texture level. Right, let's do that. Because I can't remember how to change the transparency in Engine. There must be a way. Nope, I can't see it. Yeah, we're just gonna have to re-import with the transparency done via the file. Oh, it's a Cooper.
I saw the live stream.
Oh yeah. I hope you didn't watch the beginning because it was a disaster.
No. I just saw you were struggling to figure out how to change transparency in Engine.
Oh yeah, go on. Do you know?
So let's have a look. Come on, watch stream phone. I want to watch the stream.
It'll look pretty nice. It's a nice earthy tones for the bones. Bone tones.
Yeah, it's not letting me bloody do this on my phone. You need to go to the. So, what node are you on? You're trying to. I can't see, please.
I'm in the parallax background.
Yep. You need to
Oh.
scroll down in the inspector. You'll see, or better yet, just do a search in the inspector. There's a little search in the inspector.
Oh, this guy. This guy.
I guess that's it. I can't
Oh
see.
no, I'm
'cause
retarded.
I
There you
mean-
go. Go on.
And look for modulate.
Modulate. Surely that wouldn't be a node.
Yeah, it's modulate. And then you can change transparent.
Where would it be under?
Just search. Type in the search bar modulate.
Under filter properties?
Yeah, filter properties.
Oh, no shit. So... Oh, you're a clever boy. Right then. Okay, so this top layer would be... What's half of 255?
255 is 128.
128?
It's actually 256, but yeah, 128 is halfway.
128. Hey, hey! Cool. So now... Hang on, did that do all the layers?
Okay, I got a call, and so I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, okay, no worries. Yeah, that might not have quite done what I needed, actually. Let's put that back to 255. I think that did all the layers, which is not quite what we need. So let's say if it's just... Oh no, right, okay. I need to find... Maybe that was just... So then, let's now go to whatever. Oh, what's that? No. What is that? What the fuck? Why would it do
Rather
that?
concerning.
That's devastating.
Yeah, that. Well, hang on. We can have a look. Is that the problem with the texture, or is it? Oh wait, I know.
Do you think it's to do with the
You should-
shader setup? I'll do the transparency
Yeah.
first.
Hang on. Yeah, hang on.
Right, what's 90% of... So, 255 divided by... 10 times 9. So about 230 should be that. Interesting. That did not as much as I was hoping. I wonder why that is. So that worked with the other one. Huh. Oh, it's just not doing it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's like that, I see. You'll be like that.
Yeah. What you're seeing, that little crease in the center there,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's an artifact of the shader.
Yeah, yeah. We'll have to I'll have to
Uh,
fiddle with the shader in a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, Coop. I keep wanting to call you Aquinius. It's not Aquinius, is it? It's
Nah. Aquitaeus
Aquitaeus.
is one of our other members who likes to just watch.
Oh. I've been chatting with him though, but he was talking about helping us with the coding, eh? Yeah. Look at that. That's dead.
See where where they line up. So there's an issue with how the shader goes on that boundary, and it's not something I was ever able to solve.
Oh, really? I could. I'll have a go. I'll have a go in a bit. First, though, I need to find out how to. Did I try this yet? Nope. For some reason, this layer in particular does not want to be transparent.
What do you mean?
So this one, I just did that. That worked just fine.
Yeah.
This layer.
So the
Oh, hang on.
Sprite 2D mid.
My bad. Hang on. This layer refuses to go transparent. See if I try this layer. See, that goes transparent. That is odd.
Yeah.
Just the middle layer refuses. Huh.
Try the middle layer. Have a look at the middle. Let me see the middle layer, because it might also once again be the shader.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna. What's the?
Very strange. But what I'll do, I'll put this back over here.
Because you're editing the muscle background right now. Okay, so hang on. Let me see what the shader that's attached to it is. Material, shader, material.
I wonder if it's to do with how the parallax was set up.
Mate, can you just go to the Sprite 2D, scroll down to material?
Oh, right, yeah.
In the inspector, scroll down to material. Right there, click on it.
On
Click. No, the shader.
shader.
Click on it. Yep. Scroll down. I need to see what water 4. Okay, so that's the shader. Because I've got it. I've got the thing open here.
This real game development stream now. We up in here.
Yeah, so I'm looking at it. But I can see where the issue is.
Might be. Huh. Where do you reckon?
It's at the you see the vector op right there that's very, very dark and very cloudy.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah, I think that's where the problem is. If you zoom in, you can sort of see the very clear demarcated lines where it suddenly changes very, very starkly. So maybe I can work on that. I mean, I'm...
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, I can work on that.
We were
I'll
on
subtract.
multiply. Let's try subtract. Whoa.
Makes it even worse, doesn't it?
What?
No. I don't think that's the problem. I think multiply is correct, but if you go to the vector op right before it, the downwards, down one.
2 seconds.
If you go to the vector op.
It was multiply before. Sorry, say again.
Yeah. So if you go to the vector op right down behind it, yeah, and click the open eye button.
Righto.
So you can scroll in there and you can see where the very clear lines are there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, oh shit. I'm always trying to right click to Maybe I don't need. Maybe we don't need to do that. Why don't I'm gonna just do a little test here. This sort of fixes it. Okay, can you just test something for me real quick? Hang on.
Take that.
Hang on.
Take the vector op, right? You know the connection going into port A?
Yeah.
Take that connection and put it into port B of the next vector op.
Oh.
No, the next one.
This guy.
Yeah. That one, yeah. See what does that do? Yeah, just...
Oh, that's better, you know. That's a lot better.
Yeah, much better. Don't really need this, do I?
So
okay, I tell you what.
Both of these.
I tell you what. Can you just undo? Oh no, you might as well. You might as well do it because you're the one editing it.
Mm-hmm.
Just delete the vector op and the vector func before it. Just delete those two.
I kind of want to turn that intensity down though. Wait, hang on. Oh no.
What do you mean?
Just a little bit. Actually.
What do you mean?
Just the intensity of the wave. Actually, might be okay. No,
Yeah.
that's all right. Yeah, we'll leave it as that. Cool. So, does this mean, is this doing anything then? This guy? I suppose it is.
Ripple intensity. Yeah, so you can increase that if you want. So go to
right.
go to the inspector. No, don't do it there. That's just the default value. You need to get the scene back up.
Yeah.
Right. Get it all up. Get it all up. Scroll. Don't worry about the shader editor at the moment. Just get that up, and center it. Okay, now Sprite 2D mid. Let's have a look at that. Go to the shader parameters. You see them in the inspector right there? Yeah. Shader parameters. A bit further up.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah. Ripple intensity, you can change it there. So you can change it to 1 if you... I wouldn't do that.
So it was 0.05 before.
Yeah, put it up to like 0.10, 0.1. No, 0.1, not 0.01, 0.1. I want to see that. Let's see how that looks.
It's gonna be a big wobbly boy. I think in my head I'm thinking... Maybe... Is that too subtle? I still don't think I've figured out how to make it transparent.
Okay, so we want transparency, do we?
Yeah, let's do that. So, oh shit.
Because, yeah, my shader overrides transparency, so it's always fully transparent.
Ah. Where does that happen?
So just give me a sec. try what. So what have you set the modulate level at? Can you scroll up in the inspector and see what the modulate level is?
Where's that?
Just scroll.
Ah, here.
Okay, so you've got it partly transparent,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so scroll back, go back to the shader,
Yeah.
and scroll toward the end.
Oh shit. Ugh. Ah!
Yeah, hang on, sorry, give me a sec.
How to move. Alright, here we go. Modulate. I hope the stream's been working. Oh, bollocks. You know what? It hasn't actually been being shown any of this. You doing alright, Aquatius? You've been a muted boy. I wonder, where would that be? Transparency. Install this. UV color, is that it now? You know what? I think maybe we undershot. What was that called again? Ah, there it is. Let's go to yeah, that should be fine. How is Strem going? Ah. Don't know how I feel about being on the internet doing this kind of thing. My mistakes and retardedness is on show for the whole world to see. I mean, if theoretically, nope, not that. LOD, UV. I'm stumped. Could it be this? Nope. This is where I need like 200 viewers to just be like shouting at me what the answer is. That would be ideal. If they could see, which I'm still working on. Well, I could fix the problem the long way. The long way would be uploading a new mid layer and probably top layer whilst I'm at it. So, why don't I do that? Because that would solve a couple problems. Then we wouldn't have to fiddle with that other stuff. So let's just do that. Right, so that's the rear layer. Let's do this layer first. Opacity 50%. Okay. Export. I'ma fix it the only way I know how. That's with visual editing. Where are you? Let's make that a T. Save that as PNG. Good. Alright, now let's go to next layer. Opacity 90. I could even go a bit further. Let's check how that looks again. We could even go at 85. Screw it, we'll stick with 90. We'll stick with 90. Alright, let's export that. Export. Bada boom. T. Export. And close that. Don't save. Now let's go back to material. Where were we? Modulating, that was it. Put that back to 255. And let's do the same on the front layer. Modulate, 255. Okay, so now let's replace, let's go to here. Open in File Manager. Let's get these, chuck them in. Copy that. Boosh. Awesome. Alright, back to the engine. Now let's replace you. Refresh this, can we? There we go. So let's drag you into here. Bloody hell. What's that now even? What's this now even? What the fuck? That is some wild scale. Let's undo that. Okay, so what did we do? Alright, back to here. Texture. Let's not do that. Okay. Why can't I drag it in? Why does it go enormous? Oh, that's because it's the wrong one, eh? Level 1. Okay, so we're going for the front layer. Why did I do this? Okay, so that's front. 50. T. There we go. Now theoretically, beautiful. Okay, same thing here. Bloody hell, where's this gone? There you are. Yeah! That's your boy. Now it might have seemed like a very subtle difference, but that little hint of a line is going to be very apparent when we're scrolling around. Nice! So let's go back up to where we were. Bloody hell. Why would this be a muscle? Oh, what? That confuses me a bit. Why would you be a muscle? Muscle? Well, let's start by saving. Control S. Right then, so how do I now get this into here? Oh, it already is. Will you look at that? Will you look at that? Will you look at that? Now I think... I want to play it. Let's try this. Boot. Play. Let's see if that works. And if it does, well it doesn't. Well then, why not? I don't know enough to know why not. All I see is red. Okay, that's the achievement stuff. That's Steam achievement stuff. Okay, well that's nothing that I've been doing, so that's good. Steam stuff, good. All I want to do is apply this one. I don't care about these. Just take me to these. Alright, stop. Why must I view that? Explain. Can I go back? It's because I'm on script, because I'm retarded. Okay, there we go. So, let's try this again. So we go, boosh. Let's try playing this. Oh, it's like that. I don't know how to fix that. So I think, for anybody who's watching, I think we've done what we set out to do today. While that may look massive, I think that it won't be when we're actually playing. And if it is, I think we can adjust that if need be, because the level will probably be about yay big. So it's going to be quite a long level. But yeah, I think we've done what we set out to do. So because the guys are away, I may end the stream now. What say you? What say you? Right. With that.
Mom's here.
Oh, you there? Hello.
Yeah, I was here the whole time.
Yeah, I'm just about to. I think I've done everything I need to. Have you been following?
As best I can. I don't really understand Godot, so I'm just kind of looking around and bewildering. Like a child watching a mechanic work on a car. I don't know what's going on, but I'm here.
It's somehow less confusing than some of the other ones that I've used, but I don't mind it. But yeah, I think this will look nice. I could have made it more transparent, but yeah, I'm pleased. Yeah, so you should speak to Cooper about like helping out with some stuff if we need. I don't know what we need next, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I've reached out to him.
Oh, good.
I've heard gotten any tasks so far, so I'm waiting on that.
Cool. Yeah, this is I don't know. This I'm gonna have to see this color palette. I can't figure out how to play this because script errors come up with the Steam stuff, and I don't know how to fix that. So I've just been like, okay, I leave it. Pretty much. So yeah. But I don't know. Anyway, mission accomplished. I better go do some other stuff.
See ya.
All right. I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you next time. We'll be probably doing it again next week. Hopefully less.
We'll be starting at the same time as today, or at the time that you tell me it should start.
What time is it for you now?
Right now it's 7:10.
Right. So it would be starting. Hang on. 7:10, which means we started at 5:30. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, we started at 5:30.
Already.
Yeah. Yeah. So whatever that difference is, then yeah, that's what it'll be. So.
Alright, I will come by 5:30 on next Monday.
Cool. All right. Well, I've been glad to hang out with you today. It would have been very lonely. So, yeah.
Sorry, I got not much for me to talk about, I'm afraid.
Oh, good stuff. Well, thank you very much. I will end the stream. So yeah.
See ya.
GG.